What happens in manifesting is, I already know what's good for me. What that removes from the equation is Allah.
First of all, thank you. My question would be if manifesting and meditating is acceptable in Islam.
Manifesting is, I'm going to get 100. I'm going to get 100. I'm going to get 100. I'm manifesting it. And it's going to happen. And this whole industry is one of think positive and it will happen, right? And just believe in XYZ and it's just going to become a reality. What that removes from the equation is Allah, right? This is going to happen and I just know it will happen. No, you don't know it will happen. What happens to istikhara? What is istikhara? Istikhara means, Ya Allah, if this is good for me, allow it to happen. And if it's not good for me, then take me away from it and take it away from me, right? And that means I'm humble to the fact that stuff that I want may or may not be the best thing for me. I'm humble to that. Allahu ya'lamu wa antum la ta'lamun. Asa an tuhibbu shay'an wa huwa sharrun lakum. Wa asa an takrahu shay'an wa huwa khairun lakum. Allahu ya'lamu wa antum la ta'lamun. It might be you really like something, but it's no good for you. It might be you really hate something, but it's actually better for you. Allah knows and you don't know. What happens in manifesting is, I already know what's good for me. I'm gonna meditate and just get it, right? And that's where I say it's a little bit unhealthy. But should we have a positive attitude and Allah will see us through for what is best? Yeah, that we should have.